Good morning, students. Today I'll continue the syllabus of class 10th, subject English Language and Literature, subject code 184 for 21-22, and this is the term-wise syllabus which recently CBSE has uploaded on their site. Few days prior it was a confusion and many of the students have asked, ma'am, what about of our exam? If CBSE will have the exam twice a time within a year, then how much syllabus they'll cover? So now we will have the clarity. CBSE has uploaded the syllabus, and this is for the 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th class. As I'm taking your class, so that's why I'm explaining the class 10th English syllabus. From your reading portion, term 1, first semester, you will have the 2 passages as it was up to last year. There will be no change for that. It means 2 paragraph you will get. In writing section, you will have formal letters. Letter to the editor, letter of complaint and letter of complaint business. Official and business both. Okay. In grammar, both paragraph, previous one. Writing skill, 3 letter you have, this and this one. Grammar we will cover tenses, modals, subject verb concord, determiners, reported speech, commands and request, statements, and the question as it was up to last year. Last year CBSE has reduced syllabus in many subjects, so already I have explained, and maybe many of you have the clarity that how much grammar topic was excluded from the syllabus and how many chapters were excluded from the class 10th syllabus. Almost same syllabus they have, but they have divided the exam between 2 parts, term 1 and term 2. These are your grammar topic for term 1. After that, your literature portion, question based on the extracts, text to assess interpretation, inference, extrapolation beyond the text and across the text. So the chapters which CBSE will cover in term 1 from your first book, First Flight, are Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, 2 stories about flying from the Diary of Anne Frank, 100 Dresses part 1 and part 2, both. So these are the syllabus from your First Flight up to 6th chapter. Poems, we will have 4 poem: Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, A Tiger in the Zoo and The Ball poem. Almost we have covered the syllabus of poem. Then after that, next book, Footprints Without Feet. First term we will have only 3 chapters. Okay, so Triumph of Surgery, The Thief's Story and The Footprints Without Feet, this also we have done. Up to here is the syllabus of term 1. From here we will start term 2 syllabus. So in term 2, how many chapters and which topic they have covered? From your reading portion, the same 2 paras again. Writing section, you will have formal letter based on the given situation, the order and the inquiry, and then the paragraph. All these topic we have done, we have covered. Okay, from grammar, almost same, they have covered almost all the topics are the same. and then from your book literature first flight we have to cover the other chapters like Glimpses of India, Madam Rides the Bus, The Sermon at Banaras, The Proposal, and these 4 chapters we have to cover from book First Flight. Okay, so these 4 chapters we will cover from your First Flight book. And then poem we have covered Amanda Animals, the Tale of Custard the Dragon, same syllabus we have as it was last year. So almost you all have the clarity that how many chapters will come and what the syllabus we have to cover in term 1 as well as in term 2. After that, next book Footprints Without Feet, The Making of a Scientist, The Necklace, The Hack Driver and The Bully. As already I have told you, CBSE have not done any addition of the chapter. The same chapter we have to complete as it was last year. Okay. So your each semester weightage, what CBSE has decided, reading weightage in marks 10, writing and grammar weightage in marks 10, literature weightage 20, total you will have 40, and internal assessment, I mean the internal assessment weightage you will get 10. That again I am telling you, these are the weightage score, okay, in term wise, in semester wise, each semester. It means semester 1 as well as semester 2. So semester 1 and 2 you will have the same weightage of marks. Okay, so thanks, this is the explanation of your syllabus. I will post the syllabus PDF or as you say video so that you all will have the clarity.